Okay guys, today I'm fixing the broken exhaust on my farmall Cub. As you can tell, the piece of the pipe broke off into the manifold, and I'm going to show y'all how I get pull those out of manifolds when it happens using a hacksaw blade and a chisel. So stay tuned, guys. So hopefully y'all can see this. What I want to do is I'm going to take a hacksaw and I'm going to start and I'm going to carefully cut down until it's barely cutting through. We don't want to cut the threads on this. So I like to say be careful with this, guys. You might want to put like some electrical tape so you don't hurt your fingers on the blade itself. Or they make a handle just for this. You can't have it in the regular saw handle because you ain't gonna be able to get it in there. But anyway, back to this. Alright, I am through. If I'm lucky, I can get away with just this one cut. If not, I'll have to come up here at the top and make a cut too. But right now I'm going to try taking a chisel and might be able to knock it loose. So unfortunately, I think I am going to have to make a cut down here. No, I'm doing it. I can do it. Well, so much for doing y'all a how-to video. Y'all get the basics, and usually this works, but this time I actually had to use air tools and make more cuts than the normal because it's just been in there so long. But I'll finish this video up. So anyway, normally you can take and you can cut it with a hacksaw, and then take a chisel and knock it out. See, this is what this one's in this one. But, okay, so what we'll do next is I got a 1-inch NPT, or tap. I'm going to run it down in there, clean this all out, put a little bit of grease on this. Put a little bit of grease in your tap. You don't want to break your tap off. Wouldn't be for a fun day, that's for sure. Alright. Bag it off. Bag it off. Bag it off. I need to move the grease. I didn't put enough grease down to the bottom. Give me a second here, guys. Off some. I'm going to back it off. It would help if this have had a better way to get this into this vise. I don't want to put it on the surface side of the where it meets the block, so it mess that up. Get off. What this exhaust looks like now. We might have enough grip for me. We're almost there, guys. I think we got enough, guys. I'm gonna go get the pipe and I'll be right back. Alright, let's check this out and see what we get. that'll work, guys. Let me get this all installed on back on the tractor, and I'll make y'all can see how it sounds. It's all on. Time back up. So let's start it up so y'all can hear it. And there y'all have it. The video didn't turn out the way I wanted it. It was going to be more of a how-to, but I wasn't able to show y'all it that easy on this one because it was pretty bad. So I had to use methods I normally wouldn't use. But you can get some of the idea of what I'm going at for this stuff, for doing the exhaust on these and small engine blocks. There's other YouTubers that use this method too. I think I saw a video that Zippo does it too. So it's pretty simple. This tip's been floating around the tractor farms forever. So anyway, I'll get off of here. Thanks everybody for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Later, guys.